Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to install the Pria LX in a small hatch. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to place it in rearward facing position, just like that. Okay, just going to top tether. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is to feed the seatbelt through the seat. So, I'm just going to move these across, just like that. I'm going to lift this latch up, and what I'm going to do, you'll see down here there's a smart lock. I'm actually going to lift the smart lock, and that's going to hold the seat up. So it's going to make my life so much easier to feed through the seat belt. Now I'm going to follow the rearward facing belt path, just like that. It in there just like that, and then I'm going to take some of the tension of the seat, and then I'm going to lock that in just like that. Look how firm that is. So you do not need to use a gated buckle. So now we're going to install it using the top tether. So I'm going to slide this through here where the smart guide is, because that's the side I'm going to be taking the little one in and out of. And then I'll just come to the back here, and I'll just connect that there, and then just take some of the slack out. Alright, so I'm going to get Jubin, who's the fitter here at Banana Baby, to give us his feedback on the installation.
Okay. Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. Go.
That's perfectly set. That's perfectly set. That's perfectly set. All good. Couldn't have done it better myself.
As you saw from the video, it didn't take me long to install it. I do strongly suggest, as a first-time parent, to come and get it professionally installed, because there is human error. As you can see, this is a small hatch, and look how much room I still have in here.